As the fall season is in full force here in Ontario, Canada, our gardening season is coming to a close, and I think today maybe is going to be our last decent harvest. And it's been an absolute incredible year. Couldn't ask for anything more, really. Morning, folks. Beautiful day here on the farm. And we're going to have some fun doing the last harvest in the garden today.
Fresh one.
You're going to eat all those?
Mm-hmm.
What do you do with it?
I use the pepper leaves for the soup, Filipino soup. Like sinigang or nilaga. There, I put that. See? So that's
Because
why.
it's edible, right? Like
Yeah.
it's not, us Westerners, we don't really eat the leaves, but in Filipino, Filipino cuisine, they use all the leaves of the pepper plant.
Yeah.
We're also getting a bunch of these jalapeno peppers. They're still good. The cold is not affecting them right now.
But it's not a lot anymore. And it's so expensive.
This is our carrot bed. I'm not really quite sure what variety of carrots we planted, but they're not too bad. Carrots are one of the vegetables that really takes over 100 days before you can harvest. So because of our short growing season here in Ontario, you got to plant these really early. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's like it's got 3 fingers on it. Have you ever seen anything like that? That's so amazing. Gonna have a good carrot harvest again. What my darling's probably gonna be doing, just in case any of you are wondering, what are we gonna do with all these carrots? We'll probably cut off the tops of the carrots and give the tops to the rabbits, because the top of the carrot is in fact edible. There you go, look at that. Yeah. So what my darling's gonna do with all these carrots, she's gonna chop them up and basically blanch them and then stick them in a freezer bag and put them in the freezer, because there's no way that we can do something with all of these carrots all at once. We do see that there's like different colored carrots in here. There's a couple of light purple ones. There's a bunch of different colors down there. So that's pretty interesting. This whole basket right here is all carrots. It's got to be 10 pounds of carrots. all these little tiny baby ones, they didn't really grow too well. We're gonna just give this whole pack to the rabbits. In our area of Ontario, Canada, we are zone 5B. And that basically means that we have a growing season that starts from approximately late May until about mid-September. After mid-September, the temperature at night starts to drop and all of the leaves start to die off, and slowly the plants are just going to die and the veggies are going to get all shriveled up, and that's about it. This is all the okra here. It was a good year for okra. My darling got a good amount just from these veggies right here. But okra doesn't like the cold at all, and you can see the leaves have all dried and shriveled up, so it's just the end of the line for the okra plants. We had a really good season for green beans too, but as you can see, all the leaves are dying off and there's absolutely no more veggies. We've harvested all that we could. This is my darlings bribing the dogs. What are you doing? You have it on the ground there.
You still have there. Here.
Got a bunch of little cabbages. I'm not quite sure the variety, but these leaves here we can give to the pigs or to the rabbits. But it's a nice firm cabbage. I don't know, it's a little mini version. I think it's pretty cool. It's not all good though. Look at this one. I think it got eaten by the chipmunks, because that's definitely not a worm or insects. That's something eating it, like a squirrel or a chipmunk or a mouse or something. This is our succession planting of the okra. We already harvested what we could. Now it's just a matter of cutting all this up for the compost pile. This is parsley right here. My darling is still taking some of that whenever she needs it in her cooking, but we also had some celery growing here. You can see that it didn't really get full size. Let me see if I can just pull it out. Oh, it's a big root system. Big root system. This is the first time that we've ever attempted to grow celery. So, I mean, it's a little bit of a short version. It looks to be, the stalks are maybe 8 inches, but look how skinny they are. They're just the size of my finger. They're not like a full size, the way a celery stalk should be. So, but it's already starting to die off, so I better harvest it now. My darling can still use this in chicken soup and stuff like that. Celery's always handy to put inside soups, you know. We have 4 of these, so that's something. You're okay, right? Find when you're dealing with a big size garden like this, I don't like saving all of my cleanup for one big day because I get too tired and I'm far too busy. So I like to pick at it. Today I'm going to be picking at it a bit. I'm taking out some of the old stuff, like some of the stalks and the stems and the plants themselves as they're dying off, and just add them in here into the compost pile. Check out this zucchini plant here. We got a nice zucchini growing right here, right? But look at the plant. It started way down there and it basically grew all the way down here. There's nothing over here except leaves. But we got this nice zucchini right here. There's a little baby one growing here. This one here looks like it's rotten already. But maybe if I let this grow a little bit, this one will grow. But it's also snaked over here. And there's another piece over here, and there actually is a couple of zucchinis, one there and one down there. So that's pretty cool. Look, there's another one right there. There's another one. So even though it's been pretty cold at night, it's still giving us veggies. Got a tromboncino. You can see it's dying off on the end there. But I'm going to just give this to the pigs. Seems like all the tromboncino are getting rotten on the tips. So it's, you know, I mean, we're not going to do much with it, but really I grew these for the pigs anyway. I don't think I have any knowledge on what to do with tromboncinos. This is the mother of all tromboncinos right here. Look at the size of this thing. Look at this, it's like a huge horseshoe. Oh man, that's what's so exciting about these tromboncinos is you get weird shapes and they're super big. Don't really have an odor. I'm sure the pigs will love them. But if any of you guys have a tromboncino squash recipe out there, drop it in the comments and let me know. Maybe I'll save this one to see if we can prepare it ourselves to eat. I've never tasted tromboncino. How many of you tasted tromboncino? Have you guys tasted it? Let me know. And what does it taste like? Is it just like any other squash? I think this is so cool. This one has some really nice color to it. It's very orange. I think that basically means it's ripe, ready to go. So this one's a little bit smaller, but it's still a weird looking shape. It's a very unique looking vegetable, you know. I think it lives up to his name, tromboncino. Sounds Italian. It's another beauty. Look at this one here. It intertwined through the trellis. How am I supposed to get this out now? There you go. Look at this thing. Look at the shape that it turned out. It's very cool. Very cool. Look, my darling went out to the orchard to get some apples. Darling, you need a basket?
Yeah, I know. I didn't know that I'm gonna get a lot.
Yeah, but you're eating them at the same time. Tastes good?
Yeah.
Oh, you got some Asian pears too, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
You guys want apples?
Huh.
Hey, you're licking your lips like you want apples. Is that good?
You want more? I'll leave you here. But you ate a lot already.
Billy! Come here. Look at the tromboncino. It looks like a pumpkin inside. The piglets are loving them. Yeah, they're loving the tromboncino. There. Like that, Billy? Your piglets are gonna take it from you. Yeah. Still got some really nice lettuce here. My Darden's gonna pluck it right now. You can see it's still growing good. It's got beautiful leaves. It's very nice, very tasty for sure. We got some different kinds too. Look, there's more over there. This one's gone to a little bit of seed. So this one here will be for the rabbits. But that one's still good. Very cool.
It's for the rabbit.
The good thing about the gardening and having farm type animals is that none of this stuff ends up going to waste. Every little bit of what we're doing here gets used, whether it's for us, for the animals, for the dogs and cats, or for the compost pile to help us make more soil for the future. It was a pretty good year for the parsley too. You see, this is parsley here, and us Westerners typically use this as a garnish in things, maybe as an added herb. But my Darden uses that as an actual veggie itself. She cooks it up and eats it, and she loves it. It's great. And it's a dark green vegetable. It probably has lots of good nutrients for you.
But to me, it smells so good.
Smells good?
I like the smell of this parsley.
It's pretty good for a day's work. We already have a bunch of baskets. Got all that celery and cabbage and stuff. My Darden's got some cool apples. She's got her parsley. Got some lettuce. We've got the tromboncino. It's been a joyous gardening season, I must say. Both my Darden and I have really had a great time in the garden this year. And we're looking forward to another great year next year. And learning a lot more too on how to hone our craft and perfect the way we garden. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, people. We'll see you on the next episode. You guys be good. Take care. If you haven't seen it, check out this video. I'll put it up on the screen on how we built this garden. It might be cool for you to see how it looked before.